Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both have seen a good recovery and have now come to the resistance levels. As we have discussed first in our Asia and Europe session update, that beyond 37,950 levels, we can expect it to trade bullish. And for Nasdaq 100 beyond 17,400. I hope you all profited so far. Now, what to expect from Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones with the US session and with the data? What is going to be our strategy? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have profited. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a motivation to me. And yes, if you're not joined the channel memberships, be a part of the channel memberships and support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into Nasdaq 100, followed with Dow. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts. It has formed a very good base here at 17,350. I have mentioned several times 17,350, 300 are the two support levels here which it needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness. Now see what has happened, higher lows and higher highs here. Right now also one must note that it is still yielding lower highs, lower lows. Now yesterday we have seen 17,630 levels giving it a very good resistance. Now for the day we have to be careful at around 17,600 580 zone. First of all, is it possible for it to hit the zone? Yes, there is a probability that it can try to hit first 17,500 levels, 520 levels, and then possibility is there that it can try to hit 17,570, 600 zone. Why? See this? It is trying to create a parallel out here. It can try to move towards this zone in hurry and then reverse. There is a strong probability to it. The stochastic overbought MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. It can continue on the upside from here. RSI rising as well. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, third bullish candle. See, also look at the drop here, look at the rise here. The slope here and here are different. It suggests that the bullishness is seen. Bullishness is back here in Tech 100. It is looking upwards. Certainly 17,500 is something which is for sure. And then we will look forward to see. It is going to get a stronger resistance at first 535.50, then 570 600. These two zones you should watch out for. Stochastic rising back to overbought, MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buying entry, RSI rising as well. Coming to 3, likewise on the 3-hour charts, look at this retracement and it is trying to draw a parallel. First resistance at 17,500 going to be a very strong resistance here. Be watchful of this. And after that, we can look forward to 570 600 as well. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD was trading with divergence and bearishness. It is trying to converge. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, first bullish candle, second bullish candle, possibility of 17,500. In fact, 578 600 is also there, but still I will not treat this as bullish as long as it stays below 17,650. Only above 17,650 we can consider this as bullish. Look at 4-hour charts. What has happened? First of all, very strong base at 17,300 levels, rise, forming a flag, and a breakout above 17,650 levels is where bulls will be taking over. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish, and it has lot much of room on the downside. Remember this fact. It is trying to converge, but achieving the highest possibility of a reversal will be very strong. RSI rising. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, look at this candle. It has achieved the highs. Then there was a very small body. I have shared one point that this could be the sign of reversal here. Then what has happened yesterday? It has achieved lower highs and then have showed a major pullback. Today it has started on the downside, it has achieved the lows and now trying to reverse. Now certainly, if you count the number of points from where it has started, the day it has started at 430, moved towards 350, almost 80 points here. Now almost 80 points on the upside towards 17,510. So as first resistance 17,500, 510, then around 530, 550 next resistance zone, and after that we can look forward to 600 levels, close to 600 levels it may try to achieve. But for the day, as long as 17,600 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. And stochastic. Now before we look into the further details, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. And yes, if you want to join just signals channel, the premium signals channel where you get the targets, stop loss, and the entries, you can join the signals channel here. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you have not joined the platform forexfunda.com or my free Telegram channel, you are missing out the live updates. Yes, join the free Telegram channel or be a part of the Forex Funda platform where you get the live calendar, the live charts with the advanced tools, and also you have a community of traders. And yes, you can also there book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And this call can be completely free if you're part of our webinar series. So do join the platform. Now, regarding the levels, I will recommend you to see right now it is going to approach towards 14 17500, that is for sure. 17500 510 we can see, and then I will expect it to move towards 17570 600 zone with the news possibilities there. But for the day, as long as the Nasdaq 100 stays below 17650, remember this fact, as long as Nasdaq 100 stays below 17650, we are not going to treat Nasdaq 100 as bullish. Yes, only above 17650 it should be treated, as possibility of a reversal will be very high. What will happen if you see it rising towards 1757600, and if you see it getting resistance there, possibly you can take a sell entry there, but with caution. And yes, again, a selling entry is below 17430 levels. Below 17430 you can initiate a selling entry, but then be watchful of 17350. Only below 17350 it is to be treated bearish, where we will look forward to 17280 and 200 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US30 on the hourly charts, rise here, retracement to the median, and again rising. Now it has come to the double top levels from the preceding rise, and this is certainly a great resistance at 3050060, and ultimately 100 110. It is aspiring to achieve 38 100 110 levels and break the previous highs or create the double top here. Be careful at around 38 100 120. It could possibly reverse from those levels. Right now it is looking upwards, it is looking bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour chart, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. See, consolidation here at 37,800 has been seen, and now it is trying to give a breakout. Now remember, it has consolidated here in this zone for long on the 2 hour charts, and a breakout is going to be enormously strong. Be watchful. Beyond 38 100 120 zone, stay bullish for 200 220, and in fact 300. The breakout here can be very strong if it continues to trade bullish from here. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. It has to just stay above this zone, else it is just trading in the box. We have to be careful as long as 38 100 110 zone is not taken on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over here again, and this is a sign of bullish momentum. Look at the waves here, first wave, second wave, and a rise here can take it to extremely higher levels. RSI rising. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart. See, one important observation here on the 4 hour charts, if you connect the dots, you will find it precisely at the resistance zone, and the support here has been seen very strong. Yes, it is already, I see this as a breakout out of the channel, as the candle is already trading above the zone. Thus, certainly 38 100 110 is achievable, which is going to be there. Beyond this, we can look forward to see a rise beyond a 100 120 will be enormous, where we can look forward to 200 220, and then beyond that, in fact, 400 cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, preceding three candles, lower highs here. This candle is already on the verge of a breakout, and thus we can look forward to 100 120 possibilities there. It can hit, and once it breaks out beyond this zone, stronger bullish momentum will be seen. See what has happened here: rise, retracement, and a breakout here is going to be enormously strong. Be watchful of 38 100 120. After that, we can look forward to 200 220, and then 400 levels rather can be expected. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. Bullishness is seen here. RSI. Considering this, I will recommend you to 38080, but then be careful at around 38 100 120. And after that, more bullish momentum is going to prevail. We can look forward to 38 220 levels, and then 38 400 cannot be denied. A massive move can be seen. This could try to break out. Right now, as long as 100 120 is not breached, we should be cautious, watchful, alert. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 37 970 levels. Below 970, possibility of it to move towards 920 900 zone will be very high, and it is to be treated bearish. If you see it trading below 37,900, we can say now the bears are back and we can look forward to 37,750 levels and 800 zone. 750, 800, very, very strong support zone, chances for which appears to be. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.